50 Cent announces he's opening up G-Unit Studios in Shreveport, Louisiana.
Look at here. 985,000 square feet.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Can you say G-Unit Studios?
Welcome to Louisiana. Welcome to Louisiana. Thank you for making our stay free.
My privilege to present to you Curtis 50 Cent Jackson.
I'm really excited to show you the expansion of G-Unit Film and Television through G-Unit Studios right here in Shreveport.
I got music for you!
From the gritty narratives of the street to the compelling stories that define our era, G-Unit has always been more than entertainment. It's been a place for voices to be heard, for stories to be told. Shreveport. What'd you say, baby? Bringing G-Unit Studios to Shreveport is more than just a business decision. It's a commitment to fostering talent, to creating opportunities, and to investing in the community itself to build what I would need to be able to execute what I got going with G-Unit Studios. It's going to create a lot of jobs. Through the expansion of G-Unit in Shreveport, my aim is to embody the spirit of conscious capitalism, to focus on creating jobs, stimulating commerce, and contributing to economic growth for this vibrant community. Our vision to make Shreveport a beacon of the entertainment industry. Yes, a place where creativity meets opportunity, where talent meets mentorship, where amazing stories come to life and resonate globally.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.